Galina Hansen here, founder of HeraHub, to give you a bit of an overview on our Strategic Action Plan workshop. This is an all-day workshop, and you are truly writing your business plan, or what I like to call your roadmap for the upcoming year, in one day, which is pretty incredible. We cover a lot in one day. So we start more broadly thinking about your big picture goals for your business. So we look at 5-year goals, and then we back into 1-year goals. And we start off in that kind of 30,000 foot level, if you will, because it is incredibly important in business to think ahead. And this is something you're not going to do working for and by yourself in your spare bedroom. So we are doing this in community, which is incredibly important. Some of our strategic action plan workshops are offered in person, some are virtual, and some are hybrid. But regardless, it is incredibly important that you are doing this work not only with a trained facilitator, but also with other incredible entrepreneurs who are moving their business forward. We often talk about at HeraHub the difference between working in your business and on your business. And this is a day very important to work on your business, number one, but it will also propel you throughout the upcoming year to also help you continue to work on your business by setting goals and specific measurements for your business. So we cover the basics, of course, as well as just realignment on what you offer, who you serve, what makes you different. And you may have been in business for 5, 10 years or 1 year, whatever it is, but we always need to get back to the basics because our customers pull us off track a lot of times, and we get into offering services or products that perhaps aren't really what we want to do. So we level set after we do our goal setting, and we really look at, okay, we know what you have now, but what do you really want to do? Who do you really want to be? What do you really want to offer? And who do you really want to serve? Then we get into numbers, financial projections. And I can't tell you how many people I've run through this curriculum who have never done financial projections for their business. So we look at the upcoming year and we look at your different products and services, and we really map out what are both, your sales side and your expense side. What does that look like? What does growth need to look like for your business? So you walk away with your 1-year financial projections. And we always encourage you, if you're using QuickBooks, to work with your bookkeeper to upload those financial projections and give you a projected versus actual every single month. We, of course, get into marketing, everybody's favorite topic, and really look at what marketing tactics are going to work for you, for your business, reaching your target customers in the upcoming year based on your budget. And then we spend some time on one of my favorite exercises, which is strategic alliances. If you're a service-based business, your business is driven on referrals. So we spend a fair bit of time really looking at that for referral network, your circle of influence, and who you need to build relationships with to get those referrals happening consistently. And consistently is the name of the game. Then we get into your 12-month action plan, taking your 12-month goals and really look at, okay, month by month, what are you going to achieve, when and how, and mapping that out into a calendar. It is extremely powerful. We also give you a business plan template, 1-page business plan template, which is super helpful to have as well, kind of putting it all together. And we give you documentation for the entire day. So it's like an MBA in a day. We're writing a business plan all in one day, and it's a lot of fun. Again, you're doing it in community, you're doing it with support of others, and we often have people come out of that strategic planning day very bonded with the people that they worked with throughout the day, because you're getting feedback from the folks that are in your cohort that day. So can't recommend it enough. It is priced very reasonably, and it really is one of the best ways to move your business forward.